30 minus 30 divided by 6 times 5. 30 minus 30 gives us 0 divided by 6 times 5 gives us 30. So 0 by anything we will get 0. 0 is answer, but remember that 0 is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because we have not solved this question properly, because here is subtraction, then division, then multiplication. Remember that division and multiplication has higher priority over this subtraction. But in the first case, we have subtracted first instead of dividing or multiplying first. Now question arises whether we have to divide first or multiply first. That is a million question. So we have division and multiplication. Remember that according to this rule, which is PEMDAS parenthesis exponent multiplication division addition subtraction rule, both are same. Mean division and multiplication are same, but we have to move from left to right. It is at left, it is at right. Means this one is to be solved first. So 30 minus this will gives us 5 times it is 5. Now multiplication is there, so 30 minus 25 gives us 5, which is our correct answer for this PEMDAS based question. Thank you.